Good afternoon to all. This is Sri Vikram, Assistant Professor from SNS College of Pharmacy. I'm here very happy to here today to learn something truly changed how I think learn from the SNS Roadmap. Okay, it's a more than a diagram or a programmatic, a powerful guidance from our college to create some creativity and guidance about from the interventions. Okay, when I started my career from SNS College of Pharmacy, I didn't know anything where to begin and start from our career. Okay, when I joined, they gave some knowledge and through something about design thinking process and steps. Okay, and next the design thinking means it's a how to it's one of the word how to design and how to think about the problems. Okay, and design thinking is it's a various stages of design thinking process, like understood people, so that is a empathize, and next second one is clearly mindset define problems. Now third one is think of creativity ideas, that's a prototype, and fourth one is build up sample solutions, and the final one is test those in a real life, and then these are the all simple 5 steps that how to gain some design thinking knowledge from our career growth. Okay, and I stopped fearing from our failure stages and created some exploring new words. Okay, next one is next the roadmap with SNS roadmap. I see in the SNS roadmap is introduced some 3P cultures, like purpose. First one is a purpose, process, and the last one is a people. Okay, the purpose means gave me a clear goals. Okay, purpose means gave me a clear goals, and the next one the process means gave me a steps to introduce a step by plan. Okay, next one is people. Okay, people means gave me a gave me a power of a teamwork. Okay, gave me a power of teamwork. Okay, these are the SNS roadmaps. Okay, then I next one is from throughout my career, there are the 3 frameworks, like as a attitude. One is first one is attitude, second one is logic, and the third one is a technique. Okay, these are the 3 main concepts. Okay, attitude means having the right mindset. Having a attitude means having the right mindset. Okay, next one is a logic. Thinking clearly it like a logic mindset. Okay, next one is a technique. Technique means using the right way. Okay, technique means using the right way, the way of technique were explore to someone. Okay, next one is as I continued, I discovered some 5 pillars of growth from throughout my career. So okay, next one, first one is learn. First one is learn. Second one is upskills. So say third one is innovate. Fourth one is contribute, and fifth one is network. Okay, network. Fourth one is last one is network. These are the 5 pillars of growth for our throughout my career. Okay, these are the 5 steps were throughout my career. These are helpful to me. Okay, next one is the journey from throughout my journey is also reminded me to take care my mindset throughout my careers. Okay, throughout my careers, and the spine concept. Okay, and the spine concept also stands for sports and creative something mindset from throughout my careers, like active and engaged and energized and focused. Energized and focused. These are all familiar to the spine concepts. Okay, because a healthy body supports some creativity mind. Okay, next one is the most exciting part came from our the most part of the from our college. It is one of the hackathon programs. Okay, all the students were participated from our inter-college competitions, or other college of competitions. The management will support to our students as well as faculties. Okay, faculties, and we learned some innovation ideas. We learned some innovation ideas as well as throughout my careers. Nowadays we develop some AI developing tools like ChatGPT, Grok, Perplexity, that's all, etc. That's all etc. We growth our these are all we growth our careers. Okay, and next it's not just beyond the creativity. It's a just collaboration and it's a just collaboration and create something about new ideas. Okay, to next one is to create improving. We learn SNS of smart goals and in our college from familiar we create some smart goals like specific, measurable, and the third one is achievable, and third realistic and time bound. These are all the smart goals from our SNS institutions. Okay, next and for the SNS roadmaps, SNS roadmaps where include something to create something about familiar to the concept of students as well as faculties. It's a turning about chaos into clarity, familiar into chaos into clarities and ideas, new ideas to work on something familiar and ordinary peoples. That's all about my storytelling from throughout my careers from SNS institutions. Okay, thank you.